Right everyone, we've got a bare plastic bumper, been rubbed down, gonna wet and wet it using a Wacom Slim. Gonna blow it down, we've already degreased it, gonna blow it down, tack it and then wet and wet. So we wet and wetted that, just one full coat of wet and wet, and obviously with this new bumper we've got a tailgate repair, so that's been primed, blocked down, degreased. Then we're just going to blend both wings, and we'll put a bit of aerosol on bit of aerosol on each wing, just to match the bumper. So that when we come to blend the bumper, we've got the same on the wing, on the wing edge as we have the bumper. There we go. Right, we'll let that flash off and then come back. Right, I'm going to put some base coat down now. It's flashed off for 10 minutes. This is a new base coat, Baslac. We were using PPG, got it taken out, we're now using Baslac. It's an alright paint. You can lay the first coat down a bit heavier than you can on PPG, so see how it goes. done 2 full coats now. Didn't show you the second coat, so no need to. Same as the first one really. Now we're going to tack it all down, do a drop coat over everything, even everything up, and chuck some clear down. So drop the pressure down to about 1.5 bar. Just go over and do a drop coat over everything. Tack everything off. Right, camera fucked up there. So we've done a drop coat, evened it all out. Yeah, so we've got a drop coat on there, evened everything out. Tried kept the colour away from the top edges, because obviously we're doing a blend at the top there. We're not doing a whole quarter and A-pillar. There's a little cut through on the edge of the door there. Just put a bit of colour there. Bumper. See that? Base coat looks lovely. Nice and smooth. Yeah. So we'll get some clear mixed up. Try and get you on a fucking stand so don't get fallen over. And watch some clear go down. Right, second coat of clear, people. Same thing, just a little bit slower, put a bit more on.
me. Ain't no one like 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 me.
Right, all done. 2 full coats. Tailgate. Quarters. So we just removed our flip edge off the top there. That'll polish out lovely, that. We've done a little blowing down there on the sill. Saved doing the whole sill. Same this side. Not even no dust come out from the petrol cap, which is pretty good. Same that side, little blowing down there. Lovely.